vlog under Project MOTO. Well, we went to bring it back in a little while ago, and I just noticed that the rear right CV shaft is sheared off. How? I have no idea, but it is definitely sheared off. So there's our newest project. You can't even drive it without that shaft that I'm aware of, because you've got a seal in here in your rear. This will slide out, but I think there's a seal in here. And the other side of it is you'd be putting a lot of strain on that shaft if you don't have both shafts hooked up. So we got to get into there and find out why. That's amazing. Always something, huh? Still really not getting it to run really good. I did the valves. They brought it up to 150 psi for the cylinder. New fuel pump, gone from 20 to 45. Only thing I can think of is it's one of the sensors that's not doing its job. As you can hear the pump. Pump's running good. Sounds okay at the moment, right? And it just slowly just drops and then finally dies. So I don't know. Got to figure that out. If somebody has the same problem, please comment. Thanks for watching, and definitely comment, and we'll catch you on the next Project MOTO.